Start.
Hello, my name is Akhilesh and I am from Ballari, Karnataka. I did my graduation in Reva University, Bangalore in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering 2023 passed out. I have joined Qspiders in the month of April. In the span of 6 months, they have given me 5 requirements and that 3 got scheduled. Yesterday I got placed in the company called ISimple Tech with the package of 3.5 LPA. SQL and manual taught by Umar Shankar sir and Java taught by Chitu sir and Selenium taught by Mamta ma'am. And I would like to thank all the teaching faculty, and they were expertise in the subjects, and they will very friendly to the students also. And I would like to thank HR team, mainly Akshay sir, who has been added for me this requirement. If you are looking for a job, then this is the best place to join. Thank you, Qspiders.